No matter if you have a used car, no matter if you have a new car, if it's financed or it's leased, you need to have a dash camera. It is absolutely imperative. No matter what your situation is, have peace of mind for wherever you're driving, whether it's New York City, like where I'm at, where crazy things happen on a regular, or whether it's in the countryside, where also you don't know what could happen on the road, whether it's gonna be other drivers, wildlife, or acts of God, as insurance loves to label them. For me, I like a nice, reliable camera. I'm really past the days where I get a camera that's fly-by-night and less than $100. I prefer to play for a little bit more quality and have peace of mind. As of late, I've become quite particular to Redtiger, and I'm trying the most recent model, the VC70. The VC70 is nice, compact, two-way dash camera, and just like with all their other gear that they give you in the kit, you get everything you need. It's comprehensive. You have the front camera with a nice wide-angle lens on it, Wi-Fi, parking mode enabled, has everything that you expect from a leading brand. Furthermore, they have your rear camera in there. They have plenty enough wire to span the length of any SUV or van that you may want to install it on. They give you a pry tool. They'll give you the adhesives. They also give you little clips where you can be snaking your wire into. So comprehensive all in itself. Personally, I also choose to hardwire all my cameras because to get the parking mode enabled, you need to hardwire it in, which is not really a hard job to do. What I really liked about the VC70 is that the night vision on it is just next generation. They already had the Travis 2 on their previous model, but here they also had a few more bells and whistles on it. It has much more clearer 4K vision and 2.5K in the rear, which really shows in the footage. The parking mode surveillance on it, it has first of all time lapse going for 12, 24, 48 hour, or also the G sensor. The G sensor is going to be activated if you have that set, if the car gets tapped or hit, and right away captures everything in day or night. The touchscreen on it is very easy to use. So either you could be using the big buttons that it has on the bottom of it, and the buttons are very easy to navigate. There's just a few on the side. You also have the button to take a picture if you want. Very easy to flush through it, and if you don't want to be doing that, you can also be navigating it with just a touch of your finger. Very easy. The screen is nice and big. The overall image quality on it, honestly, is excellent. I see a lot of cameras be boasting about 4K and 2.5K, or a lot of them, honestly, in the rear, they just do 1080. But here you're able to see that the 4K and the 2.5K in the rear is true. I see license plates clear as day, and it really helps catch an extra level of detail. Besides that, also their Wi-Fi on it is excellent. On this two-way camera, the Wi-Fi is a little bit faster, which is great for downloads or even live viewing if you want to. For me, it makes it a lot easier. If I ever do see something happen, I can just connect it right to my phone. They have their own app. And then once you have it on your phone, you can really be figuring out what you want to do with it, whether you want to post it online, you need to show it to a friend for a good laugh, or if you need to be providing it to your insurance agent in case something happened. Hopefully it didn't. But again, that's why you need a camera like this. In case something does happen, you know you have peace of mind and security. And honestly, get a camera that's just going to be a little bit better. My first Redtiger camera, I think it was like an F7, it was a two-way camera, is still working on my Ford, working perfectly. And I love it for that. So overall, great unit. Haven't found any problems with it. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and between the audio quality and the image quality on it, it's been performing excellently. If you are looking for a camera that you can rely upon and be easily accessing and working with, I do recommend the VC70. Hopefully you found this helpful. Stay safe out there.